Let the fun begin. You forget how much of a laugh you can have when you're changing these. The dreaded compressor on a D3 in this instance, landrover. In their wisdom, Land Rover mounted it down here on the side of the chassis so it gets nice and dirty. You could have put it in the boot with extra sound deadening. They put it in a nice little chassis. And they've mounted it on rubber bushings. And they mount it in these 3 points. 1 accessible, 2 accessible, 3 impossible. So you can reach that one, you can reach that one. But once it's in situ, you can't reach that one. You can slide a 10mm spanner up in this gap, angle it around, get it on and undo the nut to a certain point. What you can't do is hold this up, line the bolt up with the hole and put it in to start the job. And unfortunately that one has to be lined up and in the hole first before you fire in the bottom two. This here is the sound deadening. So once this is up in place, you can't get to it. Thank you, Land Rover. We love you really. Currently trying to figure out with a wobbly extension and a flexi joint if I can get into it this way. Not having much success. Never one for giving up, so I'll get there eventually. I've done it before, so no doubt I'll do it again.